Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. First, I would like to thank Hakii for providing this review unit. Hakii is a company that originated from Harvard, H lineup to be exact. It strives to provide high quality audio products in competitive prices to worldwide consumers. Anyway, I will leave the link in the description below to their website so that you can check out their other products. Since they deal with audio products, they were kind enough to offer me one of their products. This is the Hakii Fit. Well, let's first look around the package. At the front of the package, you have little information about the earbuds, like the name, which is Hakii Fit, and it's a true wireless earphone. One of the sides we have some writings. The other side we have the Hakii branding. At the top, we have the rubber grip with the H logo. At the back of the package, we see detailed information about the earbuds. Unboxing is pretty easy, just hold the grip and pull it out. First thing you will see is some writings and a thank you note together with the storage unit. I will put that aside and just dig deeper to see what other accessories are provided with this product. We get a carrying case, which is awesome to have. It has the Hakii branding as well. A micro USB cable to charge the unit is also provided. We get some extra ear tips, which I will talk about them later. I believe this is the last thing we get and no one really bothers to read. The user guide. First, let's look at the storage unit. It's made from plastic, but not cheap plastic. It has the H logo. At the bottom, we have the Hakii Fit branding. When you open the unit, you have access to the earbuds, which are held by magnets. So how do you charge the unit? Well, there's a flap that you have to open to access the micro USB charging port. How do you know the charging level of the unit? Well, it is equipped with LEDs that show that. You actually can't really see them. I actually like this idea. Anyway, let's talk about the earbuds now. Connecting them to your smartphone is simple. Just remove them from the case and they enter pairing mode. They don't have voice assistant, but they do have different tones for different modes. On your phone, you will see the Hakii Fit, and that's how you connect them. When you connect one of the earbuds, you can use it as a mono earbud. They are tiny and well built. They are actually plastic built with rubber ear tips. Well, the extra ear tips I talked about earlier play a role in different situations. If you want to use them for running, you can use the ear hooks that are provided. If you want to keep them secured around your neck, they offer a rubber string that can also be used to achieve that. The earbuds do come with 3 extra ear tips. The earbuds can be used to play or pause a track with a simple touch, and they are very accurate in doing so. You can also use them to access the Google Assistant. Okay, now let's talk about the big question. How is the sound quality and do they worth your money? The overall sound quality is just amazing. It has deep bass and they're amazing for any kind of genre. They isolate well too, but they're not that loud. They are rated at 8 hours of usage and I will definitely recommend them if you have the cash, because you get amazing sound and build quality as well. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.